What are you doing?
Today we're going to be doing a zipper makeup thing because I've seen people do it before. That's literally the only reason I'm doing it. And I didn't have enough ideas. But this is a glitter one, so I just want the zip. And then I got some liquid latex for other situations. We're going to be putting fake blood in it because I'm a lot more grim than kids who want to put glitter on their face. Eve is here, so she'll be chiming in. I chimed in with a harmony. Welcome to Fangirlween, it's the first day. I have a job now, so I can buy things. I bought these and I bought this. Quality. Can I do that?
Sure.
Eve is very helpful.
Like always.
Okay, I've got my liquid latex here. Latex. It came with a brush. A really crappy brush, so I don't mind fucking with it. I should have gotten a crappy brush for the fake blood, but yeah, got this, and I'm gonna kinda grab that, and then just shove it on there, and then stick it to my face.
You're just rubbing a glue stick on your head.
That's crazy.
You have to glue down your eyebrows.
Another girl's number. Spent the whole day flirting with Amy. Yeah, we're joking around because we're friends now that I've moved on. Then prove it.
Because then, if you glue it down, you can make it look like you don't have one.
Many hours later.
Change plans, we have to use this shit that it came with. So I'm gonna put that on it and then try to put it on my face. Now we're gonna fill this part with
This stuff.
red, like that, and that from this palette. Yay. Keeping that in the video.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go.
Don't say goodbye. Right, I think we're almost done. We've got the face paint on. I don't think there's anything left to do, really. I mean, we can add some blood. I'm gonna put some of this on this. Just see how it goes. I can't smile because otherwise it moves too much. And you're done. You're done now. This is burning my face. Again. So I'm gonna take it off.
Imagine if it was real, it would be a lot more painful.
Just gonna zip myself back up. That's not gonna work. Thanks for watching. Happy Fangirlween. We have more great videos to come. I'm dying. It's really burning me. I really need to take this off. Okay. Don't throw anything at me. I have fake blood over here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and share with your friends, and I shall see you tomorrow for the next thingy. Bye. Don't throw it. I have a lot of open things over here. I don't want to get fake blood on it. Wow, I totally needed that spirit gum remover. Oh. I now have a zipper.
Delightful. It looks really weird.
Yeah, I know.